At Chord Power, we play chorded melodies. This gives a richer sound than single notes. This is easily done using my discovery, the shape. I will show you 3 ways to hit the melody note using the shape as a chord substitute. I want you to remember that it's one pattern. No matter where you play it, it's the same pattern. We will modify it 2 ways to hit the melody note. We'll use C as our example, but remember it works anywhere you put the pattern. Our melody notes for the shape in C are C, E, and G. The basic pattern, like this, it's the G melody note. Just lift finger 4 and you'll hit the E melody note. To hit the C melody note, you just move the pattern down 3. 1, 2, 3, and you play the C melody note by modifying the shape this way. So from here to here. Okay, now let's apply that to a song. Now remember, the shape is a master chord substitute. So instead of just playing the C chord, we'll play the shape in C, and so on. Here's Can't Help Falling in Love, made famous by Elvis. Now another nice thing with the shape is you can actually, in that close position, you can add some fills. So for example,